2026 can be the year you level up your health or repeat the same cycle again. If your health hasn't improved in years, it is because you're building the pyramid upside down. Today, let me hand you a 3-step smart blueprint that can actually transform your health. Welcome to Simplify everyone. If you're new here, I am Nirupama. I'm a PhD in food science and a nutrition coach. I have worked with hundreds of clients become the healthiest version of themselves. If you're interested in working with me, my contact details are in the description box. We all know that medical science has helped us live longer, but how we add life to those extra years totally depends on how we take care of our health today. And there is no magic pill or quick fixes, just a smart, sustainable approach. Think of your health like building a pyramid. You cannot start decorating the top of the pyramid until your base is done right. So step number 1 is to start building the base, and the base is your nutrition. I want you to ask yourself, what is the information that I'm giving my body every day? Because that is what food really is. It is information for the body. What you eat gives you the opportunity to inform your body to either store fat or lose fat, to be inflamed or to be calm. It tells your immune system to be overactive or underactive. When you eat diverse whole foods, you're giving your cells, organs and hormones the right tools to function. Our liver can do its job of detox, and our thyroid can regulate our metabolism only when they get the right nutrient support. When you keep feeding on ultra-processed junk like chips, colas, samosas, deep-fried foods, pizza, burgers or pastries, you're basically instructing your body to store fat, stay inflamed and to slow down. So the job of giving the right information to your body is entirely yours. Another game changer in nutrition is eating balanced meals. Meals that contain carbohydrates, protein, fats and fiber. Because balanced meals ensure better energy, stable metabolism and ability to build and store lean muscle mass. Whereas if you keep snacking on high carbohydrate or high fat snacks all day, your body has no choice other than to store fat. So before doing anything else, get your nutrition right. That is the foundation of your pyramid. Step number 2 is to build the middle of your pyramid, which is made up of movement, exercise and sleep. Once the base is strong, we move on to the next layer. Can you commit to moving more every day? Walk while you're on a phone call, take the stairs, stand more, move more, basically create opportunities for movement. This activates something called NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, which is basically a fancy term for burning calories via your regular day-to-day movement. NEAT is very effective in boosting metabolism, and better metabolism means slower aging. But movement alone is not enough. You've got to add structured exercise to the routine. Can you add 1 session of strength training or endurance training in a week? If you're already at 1, can you increase it to 2 or 3 sessions every week? You need 150 minutes or 2.5 hours of exercise every week. That is it. Then comes sleep. This is the pillar that ties it all together. Sleep is where you repair, recover, build muscles, balance hormones, and strengthen your immunity. Poor sleep shows up everywhere. Bad mood, excessive blood sugar cravings, belly fat, poor blood glucose balance, everything. So this middle layer of the pyramid, which is movement, exercise and sleep, is your engine. Step number 3 is to finish your pyramid with supplements. This is the top of the pyramid, not the base. Supplements only work when your foundation is strong. When you've built a strong base with your nutrition and a strong middle layer with good movement, exercise and sleep. That is when an omega-3 supplement can help lower your inflammation. A good multivitamin can help fill nutrient gaps, and hair and skin supplements will actually show results. But supplements can never fix poor nutrition, zero sleep and no movement. They are meant to complete the pyramid, not build it. One of the most common mistakes is going on excessive supplementation without working on your diet. Complete waste of money. Or you might enroll in the gym and start exercising without working on nutrition and sleep. You're only breaking down your body without giving it the fuel to repair and build itself. This 3-step smart blueprint is the only sustainable way to transform your health. Try this and your body will reward you in ways that you can never imagine. Better energy, better immunity, balanced hormones, and a sharp, focused mind. Who wouldn't want these? If you're ready to apply this 3-step blueprint in 2026, drop "I am ready" in the comments. And if you want a personalized diet plan for yourself, get in touch with me via the link in the description box. Let's make 2026 the healthiest year of your lives. If today's video brought value to you, hit like, share it with a friend who might need it, and subscribe to my channel for more science-backed content throughout the year. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care until then. Bye.